You are listening to the Profitable Content Creator Podcast. This is the place where content creators come to learn how to create profitable content that positions themselves as an authority and grows their online businesses. Get ready to take your content to a whole new level with your host, Kristen Poborsky.
Then the last question I'm going to answer today is, how can I improve my social media strategy? And I'd say the number one thing, that way that you can do to improve it, is really start creating content that aligns with your business and start seeding your services, your methods, telling people how you can help inside your social media content, okay? Your regular content and your social media posts. So just start creating content that aligns with what you do in your program, turn it into social media, and that is the easiest and smartest way that you can improve your social media strategy. So don't forget, if you are ready to start creating profitable content that builds your audience, gets you leads, and turns them into paying customers, I've got the Profitable Content Creators Roadmap right below, waiting for you in the show notes.
You've been listening to the Profitable Content Creator Podcast, where content creators go to learn how to take their content creation to the next level. If you love the Profitable Content Creator Podcast, we'd love for you to subscribe, rate, and give us a review on iTunes. Until next time.